Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2020 Triumph Bonneville T120 Black. This is Triumph's mid-size classic cruiser motorcycle. Has the 1200cc 2-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has 8,326 miles on the odometer. This bike is in good condition. ABS brakes. New tires, front and rear. The 1200 fuel-injected engine runs very nicely. Leather saddlebags. Classic design with modern features. Bike runs very nicely. Great riding around the city. I love the way the black model looks. Priced well at only $74.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out.